This is Mark trying to get ready to join the Polar Bear Club. Florida Polar Bear Club. It is January, and it is cold. I mean, chilly. It's probably in the 50s right now. Upper 50s. I can't believe he's doing this. This is crazy. Grace, make sure his towel's really close. Oh my goodness. He did it! He did it! Give him his towel, give him his towel, give him his towel, Grace! Give him his towel! You did it! Yay! Good job, Gracie, give him his towel, hurry! Good job! All right, Grace says she's following in Daddy's footsteps. You ready, Grace?
All right, Grace, I'll count it down for you.
Okay.
On your mark. Oh, sorry.
2, 1, go! Grace, go!
Go! Wow! Oh, Grace! Wow! Wow! Yay, Grace! All right, good job, Grace. Was that cold, Grace?
I'm going to get a temperature on the ocean.
We can do it lots of times.
Was it cold, Grace?
Definitely the coldest water I've
we
gotten
can
in
do
here.
it lots of times.
Wow.
I want to do it lots of
Daddy
times.
survived.